Welcome to Assembly. These events are filmed by Miss Hobbs' 4th grade class. We invite you to click pause throughout the movie. When you see the pause sign, ask yourself what core values you saw in the movie. Now sit back and enjoy the show.
Miss Hobbs, class assembly, take 1.
One sunny day at Miss Hobbs' house, she was watching some TV.
I love game shows. Nice.
Hello! Welcome to Choose Your Kindness. I'm host Barbara. Me and Ellen are your hosts.
We are so happy to be here. Today our contestants are...
Skylar and Rosemary.
Why don't you guys come on out? Why don't you guys tell us a little bit more about yourself?
Howdy, y'all. I'm Rosemary. I'm from Farming, Alabama. My family moved here 3 years ago, and I'm happy we did. Also, I love pigs. Here's my pig Snuggles. We brought back in the farm a long, long time ago.
Hi, I'm Skylar. I'm pleased to be here. My family just moved here from Hawaii, and I love to surf.
Now, ladies, let's get started.
Let's do. So today the winner of the show will win the kindness trophy.
Our first question is...
You are playing soccer with your friend and you see your friend sitting all alone. What do you do?
A. Continue playing with your friend, or B. And a fast start for Skylar.
B. You ask them to play with you and your friend. Easy. That's the kind answer.
Yes. Great job, Skylar.
The score is 1-0. The next question is...
Your friend invites you to the arcade, but your other friend asks you to go to the pool first. What do you do?
You A. Go to the arcade with your friend, or B. Go to the pool with the friend that asked you first. 3, 2, 1.
Well, it's not A. B. Go to the pool with the friend who asked you first, and you tell the other friend you can go tomorrow or another time.
Nice. All right. Next question.
You just got a new toy and you really want to play with it, but your sister took it and she is now playing with it.
Do you A. Let her play with the new toy, then you can play with it later, or B. Take it from her hands and get mad at her?
3, 2, 1.
I know this one.
Me too. I hit it first. Back off. I win.
Excuse me? I should win, obviously. I hit it first.
No, I did.
No, me.
Break it up. You two are both winners on the kindness show.
You are both winners. Here's the trophy, you two. I am so glad we had you on the show.
Remember, always be kind to each other.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to tune in to next week's episode. Bye!
This is my favorite movie. Respect it, Ralph.
Hello? It's Ralph. Did you hear the news? No, what's up? There's a villain disrespecting the earth by polluting the world. My goodness, this is terrible. Holy Bagumba, what an uncertain series of unfortunate occurrences. That is not respectful. No, it is not. I'll call you later to come up with a plan.
Landing in Houston in T-minus 4 minutes.
My plans are worthless. If the Americans can't stop me, I'll rule the world, and I will be polluted. Pollution for you, and for you, and for you. Wah ha 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 ha.
No, Lauren and Little Chocolate.
This is not really respectful, isn't that right, Little Chocolate?
I am the great Lucia. I heard of the pollution. Where is the villain?
I don't know.
Don't forget to pick up your trash. It's respectful.
Oh, I wish you would pick up my trash. That is so bad.
Don't forget to turn off the water. It's respectful. Hey, you there! Who do you think you are, trashing up this world? Don't forget to recycle. It's respectful.
I must get my revenge. Where's my pollutionator?
I think you left it at the bridge of the ship.
Oh, what's this? Oh my, it's a polluting gun. Dylan, where are you? Come out.
Hi, where do I go? I should hire a human. I need a human to help me.
Dylan, where are you? Now. You lose, villain.
You may have stopped me, but for I am the monster villain.
Thanks for respecting our planet.
Breaking news? Oh no.
This is Ida Tira reporting from the classroom. Breaking news. A child broke her computer at school. Young man, can you tell me what happened?
I dared Jeffy to break his computer.
But I said I would get in trouble.
Then I said that I would tell Miss Jessie that he cheated on his math test.
But I didn't want that to happen, so I did it.
What was that noise? Ah, who broke their computer?
Wasn't me.
Jeffy or John, it was one of you. If you don't speak up, I'll send you to detention. I hope you will do the responsible thing.
Okay, fine, Miss Jessie, it was.
Me! I was responsible for breaking my computer.
Since you spoke up, I will not send you to detention, but a note to your parents will do.
Wait, Miss Jessie, it was me who dared Jeffy to break his computer.
Thank you for telling me, Larry.
Well, looks like Jeffy was not responsible with his computer. This is Ida Terry reporting from the classroom. Well, I did learn to use my computers and other stuff like that responsibly.
I learned to keep a close eye on my students.
And make my own decisions.
I learned that I should not dare other people to make bad choices, because that's not nice.
Well, looks like we learned a lot. This is Ida T. reporting from the classroom. Signing out. Goodbye.
I like to start off my day with a healthy breakfast. This King Cake Crunch is just what I need.
Oh, I gotta add that to my grocery list. Yum, a cooking show.
Welcome to the show. This is a very honest cooking show.
Hello, my name is Fancy Nancy. Today we are making a baked Alaska. Oh no, that's so hard. You have 30 minutes to go bake. Go, go, go! The clock is ticking!
I'm so going to win. The Blue Ninja doesn't stand a chance. I hope I win. I'm just going to try my best, and I'm just thankful to be here.
I will lie and ruin the show. Yours looks terrible, but no. Wow, yours looks so good. Doing great. 10 minutes left, bakers.
I need to hurry up. I got this in the bag.
1 minute left. Start plating.
Well, Elizabeth's baked Alaska looks terrible, but I still want her to win, so I'm going to make her win. Oh no, my baked Alaska's falling apart. I'll just cover it with whipped cream. Mine is also kind of falling apart, but I hope it will work.
But Elizabeth wins.
How? Elizabeth baked Alaska with whipped cream.
You will never catch me. Bye!
That's why, kids, you should never lie, and especially on a cooking show.
I always remember my core values when I have my Kincaidorade.
Today's events might have been on TV, but the core values are very real. Just look outside.
Responsibility.
Kindness. Respect.
Honesty.
This show was brought to you by the letter 4 and the letter H.